Hi, I'm Riley. Today I'm going to tell you about corn and cattle. Come on, let's get started. Corn grows on farms all across Minnesota, and a lot of Minnesota farms also have dairy and beef cattle. Okay. What do they eat? You've guessed it, a lot of corn. Corn grows from a little seed like this to a plant that's 8 feet tall in just a few months. By September, every stalk of corn produces an ear with golden yellow kernels, but the stalk is still green and crunchy. That's the time when a huge machine like this moves in. This is a really big chopper that makes silage. It cuts up corn stalks and ears into tiny pieces. This machine has huge wheels, 2 diesel engines, and more than 1,000 horsepower. It eats corn like a hungry monster. Inside the cab, the operator has lots of things to watch. Take a look. The silage is loaded into a truck as the chopper drives through the field. When a truck is full, it drives to a silage stack. The box raises up and the load slides out. A big 4-wheel drive tractor pushes the silage onto a stack and packs it down. Farmers also use other equipment to make silage. This is a chopper pulled by a tractor. It cuts silage and blows it into a wagon. The farmer pulls the wagon into his yard. As the wagon unloads, a machine blows the silage up a long tube into a silo. Cows eat corn silage every day to help them produce milk, and beef cattle eat corn silage to help them gain weight. That's it for today's silage story. Now you know why corn and cattle are such a big deal on Minnesota farms.